Where can you find those new neighborhoods and custom built homes in Oakville, Ontario? As Oakville offers a wide variety of different real estate to choose from some older homes to some brand new ones. So I thought in today's video, I would highlight the areas you're most likely to find those new neighborhoods or custom built homes, as I know so many of my clients that are looking to move to Oakville are looking for homes along these lines. So let's kick it off with the first neighborhood, which is Oakville's newest neighborhood, in fact, which is Joshua Meadows. And construction in this neighborhood here started back in 2018 and probably won't be finished for a few more years. So there will be ample opportunity whether you're looking to purchase a detached home, a townhome, or a condo here, as currently this neighborhood here is really developed on both the west and east side of Joshua Meadows. However, in the center of this neighborhood is really still undeveloped that they are building today. So as a result, there's only one park currently in this neighborhood on the west side of it. However, it does offer a variety of options to do. However, you can be rest assured more of parks will be coming to this neighborhood here. Now, this neighborhood here is really ideal for any commuters that are looking to commute to Toronto or Mississauga and are going to take the 403, as at the end of the day, you're going to be able to exit off the highway and enter your neighborhood before you hit one of Oakville's biggest bottlenecks, which is where the 403 and QEW merge. And then as for the real estate in this neighborhood here, you're going to find a lot of different detached homes for sale. In the last 12 months, the median sold price has been $1,780,000. But also in this neighborhood here, you're going to find a wide variety of different clusters of townhome complexes, with the median sold price being $1,122,000 in the last 12 months. And then finally, while they aren't finished being built yet, you'll find a variety of different condo buildings that are soon to be finished for you guys to move in. So if you're new here, my name is Matthew. I'm a local realtor, and this is my channel where I share everything about what it's like living in Oakville and the surrounding regions. And recently, I've had a bunch of people reach out looking to move here. So if that's you as well, feel free to send me a message. Otherwise, let's jump on in to the second newest neighborhood in Oakville, right beside Joshua Meadows in Glen Aucrey. Now, this neighborhood was primarily built between 2014 to 2021. And here, like Joshua Meadows, you're going to find a wide variety of different detached homes, townhomes, and condos. Now, one of the main reasons why I love this neighborhood is you still get the benefit, the look, the feel of living in a new neighborhood, but you don't have to put up with the drawbacks of living in a brand new neighborhood that's also still a construction site with the muddy streets and endless dust. As this neighborhood here is pretty much fully developed, other than a few pockets along the main roads, as well as a few condo buildings. However, also within this neighborhood, if you're near one of those edges, you are going to have a wide variety of different local amenities that are easily within your walking distance. And then another nice thing about this neighborhood where you can see the walkability shine is you're going to find a variety of different buildings, especially along Dundas, that offer both those local businesses on the ground floor and condo units above the top floor that are all within great walking distance. Also, in this neighborhood here, you're going to find a wide variety of different walking paths along some ponds that are in a naturally preserved area, which is awesome for an afternoon walk. Now, the real estate found in this neighborhood here in the past 12 months is detached homes have been selling for $2,050,000, whereas the townhomes in this neighborhood are selling for $1,277,000. And then the median sold price for condos was just under $750,000. Then another neighborhood that is seeing a decent amount of development in the last few years is Glen Abbey. And while overall this neighborhood has been established in a staple of one of Oakville's neighborhoods, along the west side of this neighborhood, right along Bronte Road, you're going to see a brand new community being developed, as the construction here just started in 2021 and is expected to be complete in the next few years. And in this neighborhood here, you're going to find a wide variety of different detached home options and townhome options to choose from that are all just short walks away from some great green spaces, as not only do you have a stunning pond in the middle of this neighborhood here, which I know if I lived here would start my day by walking around it, but you also have a large park for your kids to enjoy the soccer field, basketball courts, or tennis courts. But there's also just plenty of great green space outside this neighborhood here, as not only do a wide variety of homes back on to Deerfield's Golf Club, and then across from Bronte, you can find Bronte Creek Provincial Park to go enjoy some amazing trails. Now, as for what you can expect to pay for the real estate in this neighborhood here, is the median sold price for detached homes was $2,328,000, with the median townhome selling for $1,280,000. And then if you're looking for some newer condos, all you have to do is travel along Bronte a little bit more further north to find the brand new condos in the Westmount neighborhood, as they've been building these condos here from 2017 up until today. And these condos here are perfect for any young professionals or young families looking to enjoy everything Oakville has to offer you. And the median sold price here is for $600,000. Now, of course, depending on when you're watching this and what you're looking to buy next, these prices here can vary. So if you're interested in updated pricings based on what you're interested in for this neighborhood or other neighborhoods that we've covered so far, feel free to send me a message. Otherwise, if you're looking for more condo options as well as some possible new townhome options, this next place is for you, and that is downtown Oakville, otherwise known as Central and Old Oakville. Now, in this neighborhood here, you're gonna find a lot of older homes that make up this neighborhood dating back to the 1800s. However, amongst those older homes, you're also going to find a lot of different infill projects and custom built homes that have been recently finished, with more being built every single year. However, what's even more common, especially around the center of downtown, are those townhome options and condo options that are being built today. Now, I know so many people that love to live here, not just only for the great access and all the amenities that downtown has to offer you along Lakeshore Road, but you also have some great waterfront parks in Tannery Park and Lakeside Park. And then as for what you can expect to pay for real estate in this neighborhood here, is the median condo sold price was just over $1 million. The townhome sold price was just over $1.6 million, and the detached homes sold for on average $2,600,000. And if you're looking for more neighborhoods that have the opportunity to buy a custom build or buy an older detached home, knock it down, and build your own custom build, these next neighborhoods are for you. And the first ones I recommend you check out are either Morrison or Southwest. And these are located on either side of downtown Oakville. And these neighborhoods here are home to some of the most absolute show-stopping custom built homes, with new ones being complete every single year. And these homes here sit on very large private lots lining these streets with 100-year-old trees, giving it truly a Muskoka-like feel in the city. And also, what's great about these homes here is you're only just a short walk away from Lake Ontario and all the amazing waterfront parks it has to offer you, whether that's Gerlach Gardens in Morrison or Coronation Park in Southwest, which is one of the more popular parks to host events in Oakville. But also here, you have easy access to downtown Oakville and some top-ranking public and private schools as well. Now, these neighborhoods here truly do define Oakville's luxury real estate market, and as a result, there's going to be a premium price tag associated with buying real estate here, as the median sold price in Morrison's neighborhood was $3,750,000 compared to that of Southwest neighborhood, with the median sold price being $2,400,000. And then if you're interested in other neighborhoods that offer you those custom built home options at a slightly lower price, the next two neighborhoods I'd recommend you check out are either Bronte or West Oakville. And these neighborhoods here are located on the west side of Oakville and offer a lot of great opportunity for those custom built homes. As when you drive throughout these neighborhoods here, you'll notice a wide variety of those older detached bungalows that are more modest in size, sitting on large size lots, as well as you'll find some recently newly built custom built homes here as well, with a few other ones that are under construction. And I know my clients love this neighborhood here, not only for the quiet streets, the great schools, and amazing real estate opportunities, but it's also home to Bronte Village. And Bronte Village not only has some of the best waterfront parks in Bronte Harbor and Bronte Waterfront Park for you to enjoy Lake Ontario and walk alongside it, but you also have many great local businesses also found in Bronte Village. And then in West Oakville, you also have a one-of-a-kind community center in the Queen Elizabeth Park Community Center. And then as for the real estate in this neighborhood here, what you can expect to pay for a detached home in Bronte, the median sold price was just over $2 million, whereas in West Oakville, you'll find that median sold price being just over $1,600,000. And then also in Bronte Village, you're going to find a lot of great condo and townhome options that have been recently built in the last few years. Now, if you're interested in learning other neighborhoods about Oakville that I think might be right for you and your family, the next video I recommend you go check out is my video covering the best neighborhoods in Oakville. So you can find that video right over here. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.